makes sense now. Now that the lights out, it's a different world to me. It makes me feel down. Wait until the storm comes down, until the sleep comes and makes it all right.